Hello all, welcome to Karthik Tech Solution channel. Today in this video session we will discuss about a statement called if statement. Earlier I have been uploaded many more video sessions which is related to if, then, else and if statement as well, right? And multi way of if statement also, right? Elif also, nested statement also I have been shared. According to those, I have given many more video sessions, many more examples, right, by different logic. Today, even what I'm going to discuss about today's session, this session example also earlier I have given, but though that was like a bit more easy way to write and get the response, but which way a small scripter can understand. Okay, if you want to become an expert of coding, an expert for programming, then you need to write script the way by which other cannot understand, right? So like that way I'm going to write this script, by which script the script logic is nothing but it will ask you to give username and password. If username is correct, then it will allow you the next field of password. If password is correct, then it will give welcome user. If any one is wrong, means it will say, if his password is wrong, it will say password is wrong. If username is wrong, it will say username is wrong. This is what the logic. According to this logic, earlier I have uploaded the video which was simple way, but now I am going to write the same bit different way, and I am going to give bit different kind of condition as well. I am going to apply different kind of condition as well, and that too applying if, then, else and if statement, right? So let's go ahead to write it and then execute it, so that we'll come to know this working or not, right? So anyway, it's a bit lengthy program, so I already been written. Let me cat it so that you can understand it, and then I'll make you understand, then I'll go for it, right? So this is my script, what I written. What I did first, let me clear the screen first so that it will be easy for you. What I did, I given what? Cbang and interpreter. Then what I am doing, I am going to read the login. It will read the login, and then it will ask the username. Okay, username, what I given here in that statement itself, I given username. What statement I given here? If space I given, square bracket I started, and then space, and then started double quotation, in between double quotation I given dollar, then in curly bracket I given name, and then I close the curly bracket, and then I close the double quotation. What is the use of this? This is going to call the username. What username we given here? Root. Okay, if you want to give anything else, you can give, no problem, but make sure that users should add it first. So for this containment, okay, for this condition, you can say we need to give double equal to. Why double equal to? Earlier also I given, I do remember 4 more example I given because of this double equal to, right? What I'm going to do first, I'm going to call. What I'm going to call? I'm going to call this username. So it means I'm attaching two statement here. So when we are attaching two statement, at that time we need to give double equal to. Okay, regarding this briefly explained in those video sessions which is shared over YouTube earlier sessions, right? Now what I have done, if my statement is true, then it will ask me for the password. So again, for password only, what I am going to do, I am going to read the password. So it will ask me so and so password, like that only, and then it will give me colon. In that, what password I need to give, I need that password I need to give again here in the if statement, right? So the same procedure I given here, it's going to call the if statement. I given pass here, I am going to pass value, and pass value I given red is nothing but my password, right? Then what I am going to do, if password is correct, then it will give me the message welcome user and username. It will call the username, right? If password is wrong, then it's going to print for me wrong credential, please try again, right? Now I'm going to close the first if, which is here. Okay, this is called what? Inter this is called inter statement, and that one is then inter statement I close here, then after close else. What I'm saying, if username is wrong, then it will give me is not an authorized user. Then I am going to close the very first which I started the statement. So I close your very first statement. Now if I'll go and execute it, let's see whether working or not. What is asking? Login. I'll give something like mono user is not there. What is showing? It's not an authorized user. Whether mono user is there or not, how will come to know? Just go to /etc password. See, mono user is not there. Only Karthik user is there. That too last user, right? So what I'll do now, if I'll add mono user add mono, then it will allow me. Then I'll give mono user password here. Okay, password mono. What I'll set? I'll set Red Hat. Password set down. What I'll go now, if I'll go and execute it, also it will not work. Because first I need to call the mono. What is saying? Not an authorized user. Why? Because I given root user here. If you'll cat, you will come to know. Again, if you'll cat, you will come to know. What I given here root user. Instead of root, if I'll give password here, then it will call the, sorry, instead of root, if I'll give mono here, it will call. So first, now you understood, right? Now let me execute and let me try to log in by root, because I given proper username and password, right? So let me log in by root and password I given Red Hat. What is saying? Welcome user. It means my username and password is correct. When I'm giving anything wrong, if I'll give now mono, what is saying? Mono is not added. I mean user has been added, but in script it's not given, right? So it's saying not an authorized user. Even if I'll give correct user, if I give correct user password, I'll give something else, wrong password, it will say password is wrong credential, right? So it means as per our all the conditions is working, right? So if you want to log in by mono, what you need to do, just go for that script, come here what you need to do, you just come here, instead of root give mono, right? Mono. Now then call that password I given something Red Hat. Okay, then username. Now this is enough. Now save it. Once you save it, then go ahead and execute the script. Now give the mono. What is saying? It's asking password, right? So password, if I'll give Red Hat, it's going to welcome user mono, right? So if password, even if I'll give wrong, means if I'll password will give something wrong, it's saying wrong credential, right? I believe everyone understood this concept. So this is all about the login, the proper way of user giving username and user credential. If everything is fine as per the script written, then it's allowing you to log in successfully the console and it will work. Okay, like that will be many more things will be there for the user administration part. Please be careful. This is very important things. Please try to understand by which way I written the script. If anywhere you got any doubt, I like to request you, please try to reach me. I'll be there always to fix your bugs, okay, and clear your doubt. Wherever even a single character doubt also, please reach to me. I'll be supporting. So this is all about this session. Thanks to giving me very nice feedback as well as comment. End of this session. Again, I like to request you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so for that I can bring much more video sessions in front of you, which will help you for upgrading yourself, for upgrading your skill set, and to reach your future goal. Thanks to each one for click this video, whoever following me, whoever watching my videos, updated videos and all.